Alright, hello and welcome back to another video. I'm ZG Akad, and today I just want to give an update about Splassive or Splash Network, whatever you call it. I just want to say it's amazing. It's been amazing. It's going well. If you guys have seen my video about it, have joined it since then, well done. You have made a good return of investment because where it launched, I personally bought in. I personally gave it some time, gave it like 8 hours. And it was a good time because I bought at literally $8 or somewhere along, $8. And the price of it today is 38. So I believe if you put 38 divided by, let's just say $8.3, that's around 4.5x. So not only that, you'll be making 2% of that, but also 4.5x. And then you get 2% of that if you invested in the right time. So the question is, what is coming new to Splash? Why is it doing so well as well, and will it go higher? Obviously there's also questions where people are saying, is Splash too late to enter because the price only seems to go up? There hasn't been really a dip other than this part right here where it was a huge dip, but it's really hard to tell. Like, would this be considered as the dip right here? We don't know. Like this whole part of the chart, would this be considered as the dip? That's the thing with that's something that's so early. It's been 5 days with Splash. You cannot really predict it. There's not enough data. You know what I mean? But if we go to their Twitter, it's doing pretty good. If you guys, first of all, if you don't know what is Splash Network, it is a drip clone. Not really full on a clone, right? But it's very heavily inspired by the UI, most of the tokenomics. The only difference is that this is 2% over 128 days. So instead of 1% with drip, so it's pretty high yield, to be honest. And yeah, look, as you guys can see, 6 days, $2.4 million are locked, 6,000% growth from pre-sale. That's just amazing, to be honest. And then it tells you how many players. I think if we go to the page down here, it should tell us how many players. Is that in the tab, I believe? If we go down here, is it here? The shore? I think it's here. Is that how many players? You know what? I am actually not sure where to find it. The players. But I think it's here. Yeah, it is here. So 5,000 players. So even more than the time by this Twitter thing, another 1,000. So it's going up pretty well, to be honest. And those people, like they've openly said they love drip. You know what I mean? They said Forex and BB are, they're legends, and without drip they wouldn't be here. So this is what you like to see, to be honest. So you guys know. It's just a sign that shows that the Splash developers here, they're not coming for hate. There's not going to be a competition, which makes a lot of sense. Those people launched in a different network in Avalanche, which is one of the best ideas on one of, the best choices to go for. You don't want to launch on the BSC network. That's just going to seem like you're competing against drip, considering that you're, let's just say a twin of drip or a little brother of drip. So the best idea is to just launch on a new network and then just be brothers. You know what I mean? Support each other. I think there might be a potential partnership with drip. We don't know. I don't really think it's gonna really happen. But I don't know I know the developers said they have been in talks with BB, I think. But just don't get your hopes up, to be honest. It just does. I don't feel like there needs to be a partnership, to be honest. Just let both dominate in their own networks. You know what I mean? Splash is doing well. There's a new update that's coming to Splash, which is here. A new UI coming soon. Obviously, I feel like it needs that ASAP. Please choose better colors. That's number one. Like, what's this? You know what I mean? What am I looking at? It just feels like I'm looking at olives. Why are we using olive green? It doesn't matter. You know what I mean? We had to get used to it. You know what I mean? We had to get used to it. But yeah, I just wanted to make a quick update about Splash. It's doing well. The wave token is also doing well, consolidating on the 0.06 roughly. just under 0.06. It peaked somewhere at 0. I don't know if you kind of call this a peak, but technically it did go up to 0.015 briefly. Like we're talking about okay, let's go to hours actually instead of 15 minutes. Oh, okay, it did stay up there. But yeah, it's doing pretty well, to be honest. Other than that, guys, like simple as that. You wanna get in Splash, do your own research. You know what I mean? Is this the best time to get in? I don't know. What's my advice? I don't know. I'm not a financial advisor, to be honest. Is it too late? Maybe it's too late. I wouldn't go all in right now. If you're new to Splash, I wouldn't go all in. I would just slowly buy every week. You know what I mean? Because you never know, the price might go down or the price might go up. So it's just better to split or divide your initial investment to like 5 splits and just buy it every either every day or every 2 days, every 3 days, every week, just to make sure you're getting the best deals out of it. Because what if in a week time it went down to like $24, or it went down to $20, and then in a month time it went to $60? We don't really know where it will go. So the best thing to do is just to be ready for all scenarios, to be honest, guys. But yeah, if you want to join Splash, join my team. Link in the description. Use my address. All you gotta do is copy it and then paste it right here. Join the wave. Paste my address. Click update, or just click the link in the description. Or just the tab link in the description. If there is one, actually, does it do that? No, it doesn't. So all you gotta do is just copy my address right here and click update. Join the team. We are a group of 26 people. And also, don't forget to join the Telegram group, our Telegram group. Yes, we're talking about this YouTube channel. It's called the Farmers Community. This is where we speak about passive income. This is where we speak about ways of making money, different ways, new projects that come out. This is where people will do their own research, and then I would have to do my own research and then decide if I want to make a YouTube video about it. So join it. We are just over 100 members. It'd be nice to see you there. Make sure to say hi. But yeah, if you join the Splash, my Splash team will be doing weekly airdrops, I think probably on Fridays or Saturdays. So it would be nice to have you there as well. You know what I mean? Just to help some other people while we all compound our way up. And guys, I think other than that, Splash is doing well. I'm super happy to have joined this. It just makes sense. Avalanche is actually a good network to run those types of certificate of deposits to make your own passive income. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna speak to you later. It's been your boy Cool Light. Make sure to like, comment. What do you think of Splash compared to Drip? Are you in both? Are you in one of them? Let me know what are your thoughts. Alright guys, I'll see you in another video. My name is DJ Khaled, and I'll see you. Bye bye.